Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see who shared your Instagram Reels, and let's get right into the video. Once you have opened up your account, that is not private, that is a public account, that must be a public account actually, to see who have shared your Reel on Instagram. So once you have made your account public and you have then posted a Reel or a video, then head up to your Reel. Once it is there, recently Instagram has updated their policy and they are showing the Reel sharing count in here in the paper plane option, and there you can see it is currently 4 on mine. And before this update, Instagram used to share this in the 3-dot menu, and there would be an option called Insight. Then you could see the share count or who shared your Reel on Instagram. But currently it has made our Reel count easy and it is showing in here. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.